What's up there, YouTube? Back at it again with another video, and today we're talking about the Powerbeats Pro. So these are the olive green Powerbeat Pro, and to me they're very unique. That's why I kind of went and spent $250 on these because they are very expensive. So they're still wrapped in plastic, as you can tell, fresh out of the box. So coming out of these, he did is a different color. Everybody always gets black, so I feel as if the olive green one should really show up and show out. So this is how they look on the back, and this is the side. You know how much it is, how much amp unit is given. This is the front. So it gives up to 9 hours of wireless charging, I should say wireless play, 24 hours charging case, sweat and water resistant, adjustable size earplugs or ear hugs, on-ear controls, and music and call controls. So it's something similar. Now, this is how it looks after you take the first box off. Now, you gotta drop it again. If you're trying to put it on a product warranty for Beats.com, that's a very important thing so you can know what you spend your money on and have the warranty set up for it. The serial number and the model number are right here, right up there. So that's another box. That's 2 boxes. So then, you're gonna have 1, 2, and 3. I'm gonna show you these after that. So inside this box is, okay, thank God ain't another box. So once you take these out, that's all it is in the box. So you have 5 parts to a box. Around here is a regular cord, looks like. So from my point of view, this is like if you don't feel like charging your Beats, you can charge your iPhone, the way this is looking. So yeah, this is pretty cool, to be honest, on some G shit. So let's just take it apart. I don't want to damage nothing, but yeah, you just take it out, I guess. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe for more tech videos and good new stuff. So this is how it looks. This is the cord you use to, you would charge your phone with it. You possibly could, maybe. I don't know. So that's that. You have all your instruction manual, Beats Powerful sticker, saying how to set it up, how to use it, expensive little sticker you stick on some if you really trying to get into all that. So that's that. So this is how Showtime. This is how the green ones look. Just as the black ones, except for their very greenish military tint, olive dark. Very worthy. And they seem pretty cool. As you can see, that's a little light flashing, trying to find a Bluetooth signal source. So you can close it like a rain case, and it tells you that they're dead. And if you're trying to charge them, you can put them in the back up there. So when you're gonna hook them up, you simply just take one out, just like that. They're very magnetic to the hole as well, so if you're trying to charge them, you can just, they just go right to it, so they just automatically just stay right there, because it seems like there's a magnetic slots right there you put them in. So, and once they tell you how much it's charging, will be charged, fully charged. And if you're gonna wear them, just hook them on there, you did. They can be a little difficult to wear the very first time because your ear is still getting adjusted to it. But once you do put them on, you should be able to become well aware. So from 1 to 10, it feels like I give it a 9.5. I can still hear surround sound, but it's very noise cancellation, I gotta say. So from 1 to 10, I give it a good rating on that. You probably can hear the music, but because I got it on such a low frequency, but there's good music playing as well. So from that perspective, it looks pretty well for it, I say. So, you know, ain't no try to shake them off. They ain't coming off. So, you know, I mean, I could bounce around, sit all damn day, but not to do that. So, yeah, from 1 to 10, the music is great. On your phone, if you go to your settings and you scroll down to your music, you can enhance it to be a bass boost, treble boost, or enhanced natural boost. Now there's a little cheat code you can use as well that can like use surround hearing, which basically is like saying you can hear when people are talking, you know, active listening, should I say, but you have to go to your widget setups and set all that up. But besides that, this is legit. And again, it is olive green, or should I say military color, Beats Power, bro. And they're worth it to me, you know. Charge case may be a fat ass, you know, PO box, but hey, it does what it do. Yeah, again, what comes in the box is the power case. You hook the USB port back there as well, or USB cord, my bad. All the safety manual and guides, stickers, how to manually set it up. Now these come in different colors as well, so you're gonna have that. So, come on. This is how these come. So they're olive green as well, and you can tell by, you know, how they're feeling, whether they're good size in your ear or not. These right now are perfectly fine, so for now. Now I must say, one kind I'm not gonna like is that after a certain amount of time, your ear is gonna like probably get pissed off with you because of how long they've been in your ear, and yeah, that's how it is sometimes. So, you know, besides that, they're a good 8 out of 10. The only issue I see is the big pocket case, you know, this fatty, because you're trying to fit this in your pocket. It's gonna have a big old fat, you know, just like, that's literally the pocket case. That's pretty fat, so that's what you might have to look at when dealing with that. But that's the only thing I see. Everything else seems pretty legit. Like, it's expected for everything else. So if you are new to the channel and you fuck with me in this video, it wouldn't hurt to subscribe or like or comment and tell me how you feel, you know? And if you're gonna get a pair, to me, they're very worth it. For people that work out a lot, that's another kind. If you don't work out a lot, they're just not worth it. There are other headphones that are just for comforting, but these are for comforting, working out, noise cancellation, active listening, and can last longer than AirPods. Now, they may be like $40, $50 more dollars more than AirPods, but hey, it's a Beats logo. Beats always, they come with luxurious stuff, so if you're not into that, then hey, is what it is. But yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. So please like, comment, subscribe, and I promise you this channel will go up. Thank you, have a good day.